Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will review Atomic Wallet, which is a popular crypto wallet that's been gaining attention in 2025. So if you are thinking of using it, then stay tuned as we break down its features, benefits, and any drawbacks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the Atomic Wallet is a decentralized multi-currency crypto wallet that allows you to store, manage, and engage over 500 cryptocurrencies and tokens. It is designed to be secure, user-friendly, and it is available on multiple platforms including desktop and mobile. If I talk about some of its key features, so Atomic Wallet supports over 500 cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. This makes it an excellent choice for users with diverse crypto portfolios. As a non custodial wallet, Atomic Wallet allows you to keep control of your private keys, meaning that you are the sole person responsible for your funds. Atomic Wallet has an integrated exchange feature that lets you trade directly from the wallet without needing to send you the crypto to an exchange. It is quick and easy. Atomic Wallet also allows you to stake certain cryptocurrencies directly from the wallet, earning passive income without needing to leave the application. Atomic Wallet uses strong encryption to protect your private keys, and your data is also stored locally. It also offers a backup feature to ensure that you don't lose access to your wallet. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Atomic Wallet. So, if I talk about the pros, it is great for users with the diverse holdings. You control your private keys. It is intuitive and beginner friendly. It is convenient for the active traders. Now, if I talk about the cons, you can only use the desktop or the mobile versions. Some users report slow response times as well. So if you want to get started with Atomic Wallet, you just have to simply download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. And if you want to know how you can utilize Atomic Wallet to the fullest, I will create a dedicated video on this topic as well. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Now, in a final thought, the Atomic Wallet is a versatile and secure option for anyone who is looking to manage their crypto assets. So, with the support for the hundreds of cryptocurrencies, built-in exchange, and staking features, it is great for both beginners and the experienced users. However, its limited customer support and the absence of a web wallet option may be a drawback for some. So, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.